Hey everyone. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you how to clean, for those of you who don't know. I'm going to show you how to clean a CPAP tank. If you don't have a constant supply coming in, I'm a retired military, so I have a supply coming in, but this is for those who don't have one. You can see that the tank, I wash this thing probably, I rinse it out every other night, maybe every fifth night, and then I'll wipe it out with my fingers. But this is about probably 3 months worth of buildup. You can see it in there. But the way I clean it, real quick and easy, it's plain old CLR. Pour that in there. You ain't got to put much in there. Just put it in there directly. Don't dilute it or nothing. Shake it around. Today is the 5th of March, 2025. Shake it around a little bit and let it sit, just so you know it is the 5th. There you go. March 5th. It's currently 18:15. And I'm going to let that sit there for a few minutes, and I'll come back when it's done. But we'll know because I just wrote the date on there. That way there's no naysayers saying that I've faked this thing. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, everybody, here we are. We're back now. Just so you know, it's now 18:19. So what's that? Probably less than 4 minutes from when I started. Maybe let's call it 5 minutes. But what we're looking at now is I've got the tank. I just sat here and just all I did was swirl it around a little bit. It's the same exact tank. You can see it right there. It's the same exact tank. I just swirled it around a little bit, get it all over the caked on areas, and then I just took my fingertip, not my fingernail, I just took my fingertip and stick it in, rub it to where the areas that are stubborn and not dissolving away quickly. Stuck my finger in there, just my fingertip, and just rubbed it loose so it all broke it all up. And now I just simply rinse it out. Once you rinse it out good, you'll never smell it at all. It doesn't leave any residual smell or residue once you rinse it well. That's all you got to do. Just rinse it really good, and then you're good to go. Now, for those of you that aren't on a regular cycle, you have to pay for it. Now, you know how to get yourself a brand new clean tank. I'm gonna rinse it a few more times, but that was at combat speed. But now you can see that sucker's basically brand new. All right, and just so we know exactly what time it is, if I can get my wet finger to work. There you go, 18:20. So hope it works for you guys. Just want to give you a little bit of information out there for those that are in need. Hey, you guys take care and be safe.